Here's a review of the SUNWILL insulated coffee mug set. These mugs came in a 2-pack, one in forest green, and the other color is this plum. These are good sized mugs. I have pretty large hands and they do grip the whole outside of it. Here's a view of the insulated inside. And then here's the lid that each of them come with, which is really convenient because you can close this down if you want to make sure that your drink doesn't spill. And it does have rubber going around the outside to keep your drink secured in there, and the lid does not come out unless you want it to. Now, I bought these for the recent camping trip that me and my wife went on because I wanted a durable mug that I could put hot cocoa in, coffee, drinks, ice water, whatever I wanted to put in here, I wanted to be able to. So I got one that had a nice cylindrical shape so I could clean it out easier. And these things ended up being perfect. We almost went with a Yeti brand or a Stanley brand, but then I saw these and I figured, why not? It comes in a pack of 2 and I didn't notice any difference in the insulation. I don't have an exact time, but I do know that I put ice in here with some water and it lasted a good while, especially with the lid on. You're not gonna have any problems. And my coffee stayed warm way longer than it normally does every morning when I use a normal ceramic mug. These are 14-ounce mugs and my Keurig goes up to a 12, so I wanted to test it out to see if it went up to the brim or not, and it didn't. It had enough room that it wasn't gonna splash out or spill. So they are a good size as far as holding liquid, and it's just a good all-around mug. We bought them for camping, but we ended up using them at home as well, just because it keeps my coffee a lot warmer than the ceramic mugs, like I mentioned. It's great for mixed drinks. And when you want to quickly get a cup of ice water, this thing is perfect because with the lid on, as I mentioned, you can close it to keep your drink from spilling. And then it's a nice little sippy cup feature there, so you don't have to get too much water or spill a bunch of ice all over you. Definitely a great find with these mugs. If you need a mug for any reason, these ones will do the trick. I love that they're insulated. They keep my water cold and my coffee hot. I've had 0 complaints and 0 issues with this mug, and I could not recommend the SUNWILL mugs enough.